question is, can I generate images with Perplexity? Yeah, it's similar to how you would generate with other chatbots. You might have to specify like create image of whatever because Perplexity kind of defaults to searching for things. But yeah, I mean, if you just ask it to create an image, let me paste in my prompt. Like I just put in really simple, like create an image of an apple tree, and then it actually puts it into a better prompt because that's kind of a terrible prompt on purpose. But yeah, I mean, you can see down here, it's got the little like old school Willy Wonka generating thing, and you give it a second, and I mean, there's an image. I mean, I didn't really give it details of the style or anything that I wanted, but like this was generated by Perplexity, and you can see down here if you don't like that, you can regenerate or follow up and say, hey, I want photorealistic, or I want this kind of apple or something else. And again, it's Perplexity, so it kind of defaults to searching. So you can actually come up here, and if you click on images, like these are different sites that also have other image selections or links. But yeah, I mean, it can generate if you just ask it to generate. Also, if you go under their menu and preferences, then you can actually go down here. You can select your image generation model, and default it'll just basically choose for you, but you can set it to Nano Banana, Seedream 4.5, or GPT Image 1, which is the older one. And this is Nano Banana, not Nano Banana Pro. But usually you're better off just leaving it on default and just letting it just kind of work out which one works best for you. But yeah, I mean, Perplexity.ai, and if you want an image, just specify create image or generate image of, and then put in the rest of your prompt. You're probably better off putting in a more detailed prompt than what I did here. This was just for a quick demonstration, but you can absolutely use Perplexity to generate images. Try it out and let me know if you have other questions, and see you next time.